Uh, Ever wondered what keeps fans on the edge of their seats? Um, let's dive into the world of NCIS Sydney, where mystery and suspense meet Aussie charm. Uh, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Um, Season two's premiere, originally set for January 31, now debuts February 7. Um, CBS rescheduled to air a special event. And, you know, Heartstarter promises an elusive assassin and Revived Dead catch it live or on demand. Um, NCIS Sydney launched November 2023 in Australia. The first overseas spin-off. It features a joint task force solving, cases involving U.S. military personnel. Gun Fission introduced the team investigating a seaman's mysterious death. Meet the captivating cast. Olivia Swan stars as NCIS Special Agent Michelle Mackey. Todd Lasance plays AFP Sergeant J.D. Dempsey. Sean Sager portrays NCIS Special Agent Deshaun Jackson. Tuli Narkle as AFP Officer Evie Cooper. Mavermy Hazel steps into the role of AFP scientist Blue Gleason. William McInnes brings AFP pathologist Rosie Penrose to life. And together they unravel thrilling mysteries down under. And here's a joke for you. Why did the NCIS agent refuse to eat his soup? Because he found out it had a classified ingredient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, good God. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe.